अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नाजरीन, ये हैं मिस अनीते और यहाँ पे रमफोर्ड में हमारे पड़ोस में इनका घर है और असर की वाक़ में बाज़ औक़ात इनसे यहाँ मुलाकात होती रहती है और मैं इनके बारे में, इनके फैमिली के बारे में, इनके लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में, इनके कल्चर के बारे में और यहाँ के रहन सहन के बारे में इनसे मालूमात लेता रहता हूँ, इनसे हाल अहवाल लेता रहता हूँ और ये मुझसे पूछते रहती हैं हमारे मुल्क के बारे में, आप लोगों के बारे में, हमारे मुल्क के लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में, वहाँ की ज़िंदगी के बारे में। तो आज मुझे ख्याल हुआ कि इनके कुछ व्यूज़ वो आपसे शेयर करें और इसलिए आज यहाँ पे हम मौजूद हैं। तो अभी हम चलते हैं, इनसे कुछ मालूमात लेते हैं। सो वेलकम टू द पीपल टू द पाकिस्तान।
Hello.
So I would like to ask about your name and then your previous, for example, your qualification and your experience of life in 1-2 minutes if you.
My name is Annette Pratt. I'm 72 years old. I don't look it nor act it. A week ago, and I want to learn more about what's going on with him.
Okay, and if I ask about if you have met any Muslim before this,
No,
have you ever met?
you're the first.
Oh, so what are your views about Islam and Muslim? And if I ask after our meeting and having time together, what are your views now? Is any difference? Is any change about your views about Islam, about Muslims?
I'm still learning. I'm still asking questions.
Yeah.
And as soon as I have a chance, I will look into it a lot further.
Oh, so what are your routine activities, daily activities these days, especially when you are
Just taking care of me, being on the computer, babysitting my dog,
so
trying to stay on my feet and out of the hospital.
Oh, good. Today I have a gift for you, and this is the Holy Quran, the book of God, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which God gave to the humanity through his messenger Muhammad. So I am giving as a gift to you, and I would like you to read it and learn it and think about it, and later when we will sit together, we will discuss about it. If you have any question about it, what you will
Is it in English?
yes, it is in English. So we will discuss the things what you will read in this. If you have any question, if you have any ambiguity, any confusion, we will inshallah discuss it.
Okay.
So this is from that him. Yes, yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this is English version of the Holy Quran. I hope you will read it, and I hope it will be an amazing thing for you, and you will learn many things from it. And later we will discuss it.
Okay.
So thank you so much for giving the time for my people, my viewers. Thank you so much.